So this is Jent's daughter coming back to you again with something that's easy, quick, and I think it's going to be for the upcoming fall season, winter season that's approaching us, especially with all that's going on with COVID-19 and some viral and flu kinds of things that are typically among us anyway. I want to talk to you about preparing some things that you can do for yourself and how you can hopefully stay healthy, safe, and when those symptoms of flu and viral kinds of symptoms come your way, I hope that what I'm about to show you will be a soother kind of thing for you, a comforting kind of thing for you. And if not for yourself, then maybe perhaps for someone in your family or someone that you hold dear to your heart. So over the last couple months, when I began to feel kind of yuck and just not feeling well in my body, I turned to some things that I had experienced in my mom's lifetime. She would make some homemade remedies, and what I'm about to show you in just a moment is some tea. But I'm going to add something different to mine. I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to show you the lemon, just the lemon version first, and because my husband, he can't do ginger. And then I'm going to show you how I prepared the lemon ginger tea. So I want you to get your mind kind of set for what I'm about to show you. And I'll be back. We're just going to do it just with nothing special. We're not going to pull out any special equipment or anything like that. Just your typical kinds of things that you would have in your kitchen anyway. Before I forget, I want you to know, in honor of my mom, I'm Jent's daughter, and she taught me to prepare everything with love, even the simplest thing. Tea, lemon ginger tea, even those kinds of things. And they are, guess what, guys? They are good for your soul. I'll be back. So I want to show you all where I am with my lemon tea first, and then I'm going to add ginger. So it's lemon ginger tea. So what I've done here, and I'm going to bring you down so you can see, this is here, can you see that? This is 4 cups of water, or 2 16-ounces of bottled water in lemon. And the way I've done this, I'm going to show you, and you can use tap water, whatever you want to use, that's totally on you. And that goes for anything that I'm doing. I just want you to get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm taking a lemon and a lemon squeezer here. You see the squeezer here? And what I'm doing is I'm pressing the juice out of this lemon into my pot of water here. Just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And after that, let me fix my phone. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do is just chop this lemon, as I'm going to need the rind, and as part of what I'm cutting up. So I'm going to take this lemon rind, and I'm going to get as many seeds out of here as I can. I'm not trying to have lemon tea with seeds. And like I was saying earlier, we used to do this when I was coming up. My mom, she would prepare something like this if we were having chills, colds, aches, temperature, fever, just to kind of aid in getting our appetite back. And I find that lemon is just a good source of natural food that's good for getting appetite back and just about healing what ails you. Okay, so I'm just going to drop the lemon into a pot. Again, I'm making some for myself and my husband. So we have putting on the fire or turning on the burner there. And I'm going to add, at this point, I'm going to add honey. I'm going to, and use a brand of honey that you like. Use a brand of honey that you like. And what I'm going to do is add about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 since we're going to be sharing it. But as little or as much as you like, you add, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to stir, and I'm going to bring it to a boil, okay? So I'm just going to guesstimate, but I'm usually pretty good on guesstimating. And you can always add more, but you can't take it out. So better to have too little than too much. All right, so I'm going to add here. Add 1, 2, and we're going to say that's 3. And I know that's a gracious plenty for starters. Okay, when I come back, I'm going to show you what the lemon version of this looks like, and then I'm going to add my ginger in at the end of it. Okay, I'll be back in just a minute. Stay tuned. Guys, I don't think there's no real secret in getting this ginger root peeled, if you will. I'm just going through here. I don't have very much. I don't need very much. The ginger taste is very powerful, potent taste for me. So what I've done is, I'm sure there's some kind of contraption you can use to peel this ginger, but I've just kind of more or less scraped it, and I got of course, washed it and got the exterior of it off. Do you see? This is what I call the peels, and all I did was scrape it a little bit, and I'm gonna rinse it back off over here by my sink. Ginger is, I just recently acquired a taste for ginger. It hasn't been always, and for what my purpose is now, what I'm going to do is just chop this up, just slice it. Oh, I bought it today at Walmart. It's $2.98 a pound, and they had some very young sprigs. Most of the time the sprigs are huge, and I didn't need very much, because what I refuse to do is let any ginger or anything else for that matter sit in my fridge and go bad. So rather than that, I'll just leave it in the store, and it doesn't weigh that much. So, you know, whatever it is, you guys know that I'm very conservative, very frugal. So that's how this is looking here. The ginger is looking. Let me fix that so you can see how the ginger is looking. Just maybe 2 tablespoons or so, not very much. And then now I want you to see the tea, how it is, the lemon tea here, how it is about to boil. And then I'm going to take my husband's out and serve him his, and then I'm going to add the ginger for me, let it boil, let it simmer, just because the lemons have already boiled. So I'm just going to let this simmer, and then I'll be back. Well, I'm back, and I am all completed with my ginger tea, lemon ginger tea. I separated the lemon from the lemon ginger, and we are going to be soothed some kind of nice tonight. What I've done, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to see in my thermal cup here. You see that lemon? I hope you can see the steam coming off of it. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm going to be sipping on this most of the night, and that's about maybe 16 ounces or so in my thermal cup. And the good thing about putting it in this thermal cup is that I have the rest of the night, or all night long, that I can sip on this. And again, it just soothes my soul, and it feels so comforting and warm going down. I encourage you, if you feel the least bit feverish, the least bit achy, the least bit out of sorts, to get you some lemon tea or lemon ginger tea. Easy peasy to make. You can do this, you can do that. And if someone in your family is not feeling well, do it just simply water, lemon, and ginger, honey. That's all it is to it. And enjoy, feel better. And I wish you much, Jen started does, wish you much health and happiness. Now go, relax, and enjoy your lemon tea, lemon ginger tea. Bye, guys. Next time.